Hey everyone, we're in Hawaii.
Woohoo!
We're going to take a nice long walk on the beach. Come join us. Yeah, right. Good one.
Really good one. I'm stoked.
Got you good.
Got me good.
Well, this is a great family beach. The waves here are perfect for swimming and boogie boarding for, beginner to medium. The beach that we were at before is for experts. And so I highly suggest for people coming to Hawaii, come to this beach because it's, as you can see, not a lot of crowds. The waves are great for boogie boarding.
It's perfect. The water is so nice.
We'll see if we get some boogie boarding in later on in the week. You all right?
And the sand is so soft and so good on the beach. Holy ladies, it's amazing. And then
And the view is quite nice. Even though it's a little overcast, but it's quite nice.
It's paradise.
Well, that's our nice little walk on the beach. Thanks for joining us.
Woohoo! See ya.
Well, there'll be more things coming around, so stick around.
Mahalo.
Just take a last look at this big waves. Nice.